How long would it take to watch the entire How to Train Your Dragon universe? And trust me, it's way longer than you think. You're going to start with the first movie, which is an hour and a half long. Following the chronology, right after that comes the first short film, Legend of the Bone Napper Dragon, which is only 17 minutes. And then the second short, Book of Dragons, which is also 17 minutes. And right after that, there's another short, which is The Gift of the Night Fury short, the first Christmas special of the franchise. This short takes place during the first Christmas when the Vikings of Berk and the dragons are living together, and it's 22 minutes long. And after that, things start to get insane because we finally reach the series. And this part is a bit confusing because you can either consider it as 3 different series or as a single series with 10 seasons. The first and second seasons are part of the Riders of Berk series, and the third and fourth seasons are part of the Defenders of Berk series. And these 4 seasons, chronologically speaking, take place shortly after the first movie. And then we have Race to the Edge, which is a new series with 6 seasons, and it takes place just a few months before the second movie. In other words, it's set 4 years after the first movie. And adding all of this up, we have 118 episodes of 20 minutes each. And in the middle of these series, there's still another animated short, which is Dawn of the Dragon Racers, and it's 26 minutes long. And after all that, you're finally allowed to watch the second movie, which is an hour and 40 minutes, and the third movie, also an hour and 40 minutes. And after the third movie, there's one more short that lasts 22 minutes, called Homecoming. This story is also a Christmas special, showing Toothless's kids going to visit the humans. And it ends with Hiccup reuniting with Toothless, even if from a distance. But it doesn't stop there, because right after that comes another series called The Nine Realms. And this story takes place 1,300 years after the end of the third movie, where we follow humans rediscovering dragons in modern times, totaling 53 episodes of 20 minutes. If you want to watch everything in this universe, it would take you around 3,800 minutes, 63 hours, 3 full days awake with no sleep, no time for food or bathroom breaks, just watching How to Train Your Dragon.